What's up, Y2? This is your boy DJY, and I'm back with one and only, the biggest boss, Big Meech. So guys, in today's video I want to show you Lil Meech showing us footage of his father and uncles playing some domino in his mansion. Check this out on the screen. So guys, first of all I want to say happy 2025 to Lil Meech and his legendary family. Also I want to send major shoutouts and big respect and love to the biggest boss, Big Meech. I am so happy that he's finally home and living his best life. This is highly appreciated. Also guys, before I finish the video, I want to tell you that currently Curtis 50 Cent Jackson and Big Meech working on something major. So stay tuned, 2025 definitely will be the biggest year for BMF family. So guys, it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, peace.
YTV is in the building. YTV is in the building, baby.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit, YTV, just keep it going.